The rock bee, honeybee, nature's skilled artisan, feared by many as a menace, but adored for their role in pollination and honey production. We like honey. Tragically, in panic, people often resort to killing. Yes, honeybees are killed, unfortunately. But wait, there is a way to live in harmony. At Pestosys LLP, we are just about, not just deterrent, we are about rescue. Equipment with safe suit, honey vane, specialized tool, we deter bees without killing them, ensuring both your safety and theirs also. Shifting, not exterminating, respecting, not fearing. We appeal to you to stop killing them. Call us for help. Together, we can coexist with this remarkable creature. Let's give them a chance to live, chance to pollinate, to thrive. Contact Pestosys LLP and we'll be in service to you. They are not problem, they are our friends. Thank you very much.